after over 4 years of working remotely, I finally did it. I finally ordered my first walking pad. Yay! I'm so excited for this, guys. You have no idea. So let's unbox it and test it out together. Let's do this. Finally. Officially opened it up and here it is. You're pretty much able to use this walking pad the moment you take it out of the box. I was really impressed with the speed variation that this walking pad had, and it has wheels on the bottom, so it's pretty easy to move around. Also, make sure to come to a complete stop before jumping off the walking pad. So I am sweating just by putting it together / testing it out, but overall I really like it. I love how easy it was just to pretty much use it as soon as you take it out of the box. I love that it's pink. It's pretty quiet, and then you could go pretty fast on it. Like, it goes up to a speed of like 3.8, which I didn't expect it to go that quick. I probably won't go that fast because I just kind of want something, you know, for me to move during the day. Like, I'm not looking for my workout on this walking pad. But overall, I really love it. And now I have to pick up this mess. Yay!